A minimalist kitchen has long been associated with clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a refined sense of order. However, when combined with the timeless charm of exposed brick walls, the design evolves into something richer, more expressive, and uniquely balanced. Exposed brick introduces depth, warmth, and a touch of raw texture into a space often dominated by sleek finishes. The result is a kitchen that feels both modern and classic, a fusion of simplicity and character. In this video, we explore how the minimalist philosophy pairs beautifully with exposed brick, creating a kitchen that is elegant, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish. The beauty of minimalism in the kitchen. Minimalism is founded on the idea that spaces should promote clarity and calm. Instead of overwhelming the senses with excessive decor, the minimalist kitchen focuses on essential forms, functional surfaces, and careful material selection. Soft colors, open layouts, and efficient storage are core components of the design. The space reflects intentional choices rather than accumulation. At its heart, minimalism is not merely about reducing possessions, but about elevating what remains. A minimalist kitchen should feel spacious even in compact dimensions, well-lit, and easy to move around in. It becomes a place where cooking becomes enjoyable and stress-free, free from visual noise and unnecessary interruptions. This disciplined approach to design provides a strong foundation upon which contrasting elements, like exposed brick, can shine. Exposed brick. Adding soul and warmth. Brick walls instantly communicate history and stability. Whether original to a building or added through veneer panels, brick introduces a tactile natural element unmatched by drywall or paint. Its rough texture, color variations, and lived-in feel complement the clean surfaces of a minimalist kitchen in a surprisingly harmonious way. Exposed brick elevates the atmosphere by adding warmth and personality without taking away from simplicity, creating visual depth and contrast in mostly flat and smooth rooms, serving as a focal point so the kitchen remains interesting even with minimal decor, bridging modern and industrial influences, fitting loft apartments, renovated family homes, and contemporary townhouses alike. The combination works particularly well because neither design element competes with the other. Minimalism offers restraint and structure, while brick brings texture and soul. Choosing the right brick tone. Not all brick walls look the same, and selecting the right tone is essential for a cohesive minimalist kitchen. There are several color options and each can create a distinct mood. Classic red bricks introduce warmth and character. When paired with white or black cabinets, the result is bold, urban, and timeless. Whitewashed bricks soften the look, perfect for kitchens with Scandinavian or coastal influences. They provide texture while maintaining airy brightness. Gray or charcoal bricks create a contemporary industrial tone, especially when matched with concrete, metal, or matte cabinetry. Beige or sand tone bricks blend seamlessly with neutral palettes, ensuring a calm and cohesive minimalist environment. Each tone can work beautifully as long as it complements cabinetry, countertops, and hardware. The key is balance rather than dominance. Cabinetry and storage. Sleek and functional. Minimalist kitchens prioritize storage solutions that keep countertops empty and free from clutter. When paired with the complexity of brick, smooth cabinetry provides visual relief. The cabinetry should be handleless or with minimal hardware, reinforcing clean lines. Flat panel instead of raised or decorative designs. Organized with concealed storage, encouraging users to keep tools and appliances neatly hidden. A brick wall may be visually busy, but when paired with simple cabinets, the kitchen retains an elegant equilibrium. Common cabinet finishes that pair beautifully with exposed brick include matte white for a bright, gallery-like look, black for deep contrast and contemporary edge, natural wood to create warmth and organic harmony, slate gray for a refined urban tone. With these finishes, the cabinetry becomes a calming backdrop, complementing the expressive nature of the brick wall. Countertops and surfaces. Refined simplicity. Minimalist kitchens thrive on clean, functional surfaces. Countertops should be uncluttered, durable, minimal in pattern and ornamentation. Quartz, polished concrete, stainless steel, butcher block, and matte solid surface materials all work well with exposed brick. Their simplicity allows the brick to remain the visual highlight. If the countertop has subtle veining or soft patterns, the effect can still work as long as the tones are neutral and not overwhelming. Backsplashes are often eliminated in minimalist kitchens with exposed brick since the brick itself becomes the wall finish. For homeowners who prefer easier cleaning, clear matte protective coatings can be applied to brick without changing its appearance. Lighting. Enhancing texture and mood. Lighting is essential in highlighting the natural texture of brick. Well-placed illumination turns the wall into a statement feature, emphasizing shadows and contours. The following lighting strategies work beautifully. Concealed LED strips under cabinets for gentle wall washing. Warm recessed ceilings lights to maintain a calm atmosphere. Industrial-style pendant lamps to complement the raw appeal of brick. Track lighting to direct focused beams across the wall surface. Warm white lighting instead of cool enhances the natural earth tones of brick and makes the kitchen feel more inviting. Lighting should be simple, functional, and consistently aligned with the minimalist principle. Practical, uncluttered, and thoughtfully placed. Flooring selections that complete the look. The right flooring ensures that all elements of the kitchen feel visually integrated. Materials that pair beautifully with brick include light oak or natural wood flooring for warmth and Scandinavian appeal. Polished concrete for an urban industrial contrast. Large neutral porcelain tiles for a crisp contemporary feel. Matte stone or slate for rustic minimalism. Light flooring makes the space airy and bright, while darker flooring adds sophistication. Regardless of the tone chosen, flooring should not compete visually with the brick. Its purpose is to support the overall balance. Choosing furniture and accessories. Minimalist interiors demand restraint in accessories and furniture. For kitchens with exposed brick walls, the goal is to add just enough detail for functionality and comfort without cluttering surfaces. Some thoughtful choices include simple wooden stools or chairs with clean lines. Single metal or ceramic vases as focal points. Neutral tone textiles, like linen seat cushions or cotton runners. Open shelves with limited curated displays. If decor is used, each piece should contribute meaningfully. A minimalist kitchen is not about removing personality but about highlighting only what matters. Maintaining a cohesive color palette. Color plays a decisive role in ensuring the kitchen maintains harmony. With brick as a strong visual element, the palette elsewhere should remain subdued. Common minimalist palettes include soft whites and creams, cool grays, earthy neutral tones, matte black accents, natural wood textures. Limiting the palette prevents visual overwhelm and preserves the calm essence of minimalist design. A kitchen that balances modern living and timeless character. Minimalist kitchens with exposed brick walls achieve something special. They combine modern clarity with historical texture. The space feels open and uncluttered, yet grounded with warmth, charm, and personality. The brick tells a story of craftsmanship and permanence. The minimalist elements provide function, clarity, and sophistication. This balance makes the design suitable for a range of homes, from city lofts to suburban remodels. It appeals to those who appreciate simplicity but still want their interiors to feel rich and lived in. In the end, a minimalist kitchen with exposed brick is not just a room for cooking. It becomes a visually engaging environment where modern living meets timeless character.
Thanks for watching. Please like, Share and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.